Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm in the Lake District today and on a wild camp just above Wasdale. The plan is to walk up to Wasdale Head Tarn and then Sprinkling Tarn and then climb the band. It actually goes up onto Great End, and that's where we're going to pitch the tent. And from there, the next morning, planning on going up to Scafell Pike and making my way back down to Wasdale Head. So hopefully it'll be a good video. It's a bit windy today, quite chilly. I believe on top it's going to be about, in the wind chill is going to be about -6. So going to need to wrap up and hopefully don't have too much of a cold night. Anyway, I'll see you later. I'm just above Wasdale Head Tarn at the moment and heading up to Sprinkling Tarn, which is over there, and eventually making my way up to Great End. And the idea is to go up the band. It's called the band, and it zigzags its way up to the top of Great End. Hi, I've just arrived at Sprinkling Tarn. You can see it behind me. The plan was to go up to Great End, but the wind's probably really bad up there. I've spoken to one or two walkers coming down. They said it's really windy up on top and a chill factor of about -7. So I thought the sensible thing was probably to camp here at Sprinkling Tarn. So I'm the only person here at the moment. It's very quiet, and the thing is, it's really sheltered. As you can see behind me, it's just got a slight ripple to the tarn, so it's probably the best place to be. We're going to get the tent up now and get the tea on. And I'll see you in a short while. I've set up camp now on the edge of Sprinkling Tarn and just having my tea, to get my tea ready. I've got these Wayfarer meals. Really nice actually. I got for the main meal I got steak and vegetables, and for pudding got chocolate pudding. I've had these before actually, and they are really good and quite filling. Okay, dinner's cooked. Just going to taste this now. It's hot anyway. I've got steak and vegetables. So let's have a little taste. Very nice. Just had my tea, that was very nice too. Just gone for a little stroll around Sprinkling Tarn. We'll head back shortly just to make a brew before I go to bed. Well, just about to get into bed now. We were just outside a minute ago and it was absolutely freezing. See my breath. Deathly quiet up here at Sprinkling Tarn. I think I spotted one other tent actually, right on the other side of the tarn. That's it really, quiet. I put my long johns on. Once I get my sleeping bag, I'm sure it'll be okay. Bought myself a new inflatable mat. That should be looks fairly decent. Feels pretty decent, so hopefully I'll get a reasonable night's sleep. Meantime, just having a little G&T, just knock myself out. Probably regret that in the middle of the night. I have to go for a pee probably. Anyway, hopefully it'll be a decent day tomorrow, weather-wise. Off up to Great End and then over to Scafell Pike. So I'll say good night and see you in the morning. Well, good morning. It's pretty damn cold, and the mist looking out the tent door, the clouds down, right down, virtually down to sprinkling tarn. I'm just going to get some porridge on now. Get these from Home Bargains, got oat burst, very nice they are as well, golden syrup flavour. Get 3 for £1. It's good value, and they really fill you up. So I'm just going to get me porridge on, and then I've got some sausages later. So I'm looking forward to cooking those and having those. The old stove on. Quite cold, so I don't feel the gas is going to be very efficient today this morning. So, let's get the windshield around. I should have done that earlier. Right. Better. Earlier on in the night, around about 10ish, I heard some voices next to the time, just like some people were doing some night navigation. Must be bloody mad. Absolutely freezing last night. Another 1 or 2 people wandering around this morning. So I woke up at 5:30. I heard somebody walking past. And that's an early starter, so they must have set off in the dark. So I'm going to get this on now, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Well, supposed to eat it out of the pot, but when I put the water in, it didn't really thicken up. Just with the cold, so I'll put it into this pan and heated it in there. It's gone nice and thick now. Give it a go. Very nice. I'll set me up for the morning, plus my sausages. Okay, it's 9:30 in the morning. The weather's looking okay, and I'm just at the base of the band. It's a rock band going right across from left to right. You can see in the video. That's the base of Great End. And what I'm going to do is actually follow the base of those crags, going from left to right, work my way around. Probably probably further to the right over the horizon there. I think there's a gully, a short gully just around that corner, up onto the near the summit. So a bit of a slog ahead. Helicopter. Hey, exercise or is a rescue on? Well, I'm halfway up the band now. Been a real steep climb without a puff. Just taking a bit of a blow here. Just looking for this exit gully. It's a bit further to that direction, and that'll take me on to the virtually onto the summit of Great End. Just missed a brilliant shot actually. Two jets come flying down right over Wasdale Head down into Wasdale. Just before that I managed to get a film of a helicopter going past, but unfortunately I got the helicopter and not the jets, but never mind. Just going to plod on now, take me time, get up there. Right, I've just reached the top of Great End now. Climbed up a steep gully back down there, and then got to the top of that gully and this awful boulder field, all loose boulders. Anyway, that's out of the way now. So next stop, well, the next major summit will be Scafell Pike, which is behind me there. It's a bit blowy. Not but good for walking though. Excellent for walking, and the visibility is absolutely fantastic. And that's what you call a panorama. Wasdale Head on the left, Great Gable, Stayhead. Looking out to Derwent Water. The distant Fowls. Skiddaw there, right at the back on the skyline. Cockermouth to the left of Skiddaw along that valley. Bassenthwaite Lake. Fabulous. See the sea from here, and the Isle of Man, I think. Brilliant. Just below the final ascent. I must apologise for the poor sound quality, but when I got to this saddle, it was blowing a gale. It was absolutely terrible. Even with the microphone muffler, it just didn't make any impression. As you can see, when I got to the top, it was 10 times worse. Loads of sleet, snow, really strong winds. Couldn't spend too much time on the top actually. It was just too cold, so I just had to move off as soon as I could. Back in Wasdale Head now, after descending from Scafell Pike. It's been absolutely freezing today up there. I got up there, Scafell Pike, and by the time I got up there it was a blizzard, freezing cold, unbelievable. There's quite a few up there actually on top, surprisingly. So I had a good camp overnight at Sprinkling Tarn, good wild camp. Made my way up the band onto Great End in the sunshine this morning, but that soon changed. and on the way down came down this big hill just behind me here, down this called Ill Gill. It's a big ravine in the side of the hill. Came down there, and it's quite a steep descent, unbelievably steep. My knees are absolutely wrecked by the time I got down to the bottom, but managed to hobble into the Wasdale Head Hotel and have a meal. So that set me up for the trip home now. So all I can say is thanks for watching, and if you like the video, it'd be great if you could like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to catch up with you again on my next adventure. Bye, see you, bye.